So we've had a box of goodies arrive in Air Down Jacked Up Adventures headquarters today, and we are just about to tear into it and see what it is. I know what it is. I've been very excited to get these products. We have a load of Kutsnake stubby holders. Wow, we've got all sorts. I am super excited for this one. Come and take a look. You guys should know what it is as soon as you see it. And if somebody is already saying mirrors, no, it's not Clearview mirrors. This should be and is the Clearview Tyre Spider. It comes in a really nice bag. I'm well impressed with this. So here's the tank, the control tank, which will get plumbed into our compressor. Then you have the 4 outlet valves, so you can deflate and inflate all 4 tyres at the same time. And I believe this should be our hoses. Again, I love how it comes in protective carry bags. Really cool. Yes. Look at this. Oh, it even comes with inflator nozzle. Fantastic. So that's one thing I'm very excited for. I'll show you more of that when we install it and get it running. We also have in here somewhere weather shields. Now a lot of you guys run this, and this is a modification that Bryony has wanted for a long time, because sometimes it's nice just to roll with the window cracked a little bit, but without the rain coming in. So these are the weather shield strips that will be going on to our L200. And what other goodie have they sent me? Oh, another Kutsnake banner. I love it. So I'm going to go through some of these goodies and get back to you. So let's see what else we've got. So Kutsnake and Clearview have sent us a load of goodies to give away to our followers at the upcoming shows we're going to. Now, the next show we're going to be at is 4x4 Expo, which is on the 22nd of this month. And we're going to be on the SGL Adventure Tours stand. So come and find us and let's take a look at some of the bits you can get. So we have Kutsnake stubby holders. A real nice mix of Clearview stickers and air fresheners. We have some pamphlets on the Kutsnake and Clearview products with some discounts inside. What else have they given us to pass on to you guys? A load of Kutsnake pens, which is fantastic. And some Kutsnake snapbacks. So if you want to come and get your hands on some fantastic products, come and see this stuff in person, ask us any questions, then swing by, you know where to find us.